What is up, guys? And you already know how it go. It is your boy B back with another video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to be talking about how you can actually start listing products that actually sell fast. I'm going to be going through how you can get this done. You guys don't know what I do and who I am. My name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And I'm somebody that has been selling on eBay, Mercari, OfferUp, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, all of these places, made money, traded physical stores, lost stores, got stores back. I've been able to deal with warehouses. I've been able to partner with distributors. I've been able to partner with buyers. I am a hustler. I'm somebody that is a jack of all trades, I would like to say, and somebody that continues to try and grow. I am somebody that continues to try and learn, continue to try and build, and continue trying to sharpen my iron. Okay, and that's just what I do. Okay, I don't take no days off. I try and make sure I am as transparent as possible with individuals, and most importantly, I try to make sure that I give you guys everything up front so you don't have to pay me to learn how to do the simple things. Okay, now let's make this very clear. Okay, I love, and I will repeat, I love phone flipping. I love reselling. But one thing I will say is that phone flipping, reselling, whatever you want to call any of these things, some people call phone flipping scamming or reselling. Oh my God, why would people want to buy this and not buy it from Walmart? If you don't understand, click off the video. This is for my hustlers, right? This is for the people that understand how to hustle and understand how to make money work for them, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually go ahead and click on eBay. The reason we're gonna click on eBay is because we're gonna actually be listing for somebody that has just got on eBay automation. Shout out to Ryan. If you don't know what eBay automation is, it's where we list, ship, and provide products for you. Now, the way you get eBay automation is you go to hustlertaughtme.com. This is one of the best services I've ever had in my life. This service is where you literally can hire an assistant to list for you products on Mercari or on eBay. They list the products for you, they ship the products, and the way they get the products is from our warehouse. Now, what happens is you pay $250 a week. You can cancel whenever you want. You don't have to pay $250 over and over if you don't want. You can pay one time, and here's where the benefits happen, right? So what happens is it's a win-win. You don't lose no matter what. Let me explain. So out of the $250 that you pay, $50 goes to your assistant. The assistant is the person that will be accessible 24/7. They're going to list products for you, ship products for you, and they're going to provide the products for you. You keep 100% of the money that you make. They don't take any of that money. The $200 that is left over from your $250 you spent is actually going to go towards products in the warehouse. Now, let's say hypothetically, everything sells. You create and keep all of the money from all the listings that your assistant has made. What happens if you don't sell a lot of stuff? We then send you products in a box that were selected for you from that $200. So you still get something and you can still sell. You're still building your inventory. We don't want to leave you empty-handed at all. We want to make sure that you are getting money no matter what. And this is why I love eBay automation and I love working out with you guys. Now, here's the thing, right? If you are looking to get into eBay automation, all you have to do is come here and sit there and hit hire an assistant. You hit hire an assistant and then you pay the $250. Immediately, you are then sent an email where you book a call with me. You booked a call with me. I want to learn why you joined. I want to learn a little bit about you and let you learn a little bit about me. And then I choose your assistant for you. They hit you up and then they start listing for you. Okay. Now, this individual hasn't got to that point yet because they just signed up recently. And I wanted to show you guys and I want to surprise them and do a little bit on their profile, right? So what I'm going to do is we're going to actually be listing some trending products. Okay, now I know what products are trending because again, we do this on an everyday basis and we see trending products all the time. We see the products that sell and the products that don't. We see the products that do get money. We see the products that are a waste of time. We see the products that are selling right now. Okay, we see it all, right? So let's do this. We are going to go right here. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go here. We're gonna list a few. How many do you think we should list, guys? How about let's list some basic stuff. So let me explain why basic. because when you first start on eBay, you don't want to list too many hype items. And I call them hype items because, see, a lot of people, they like to start their eBays with a whole bunch of products that they think are going to just make them a bunch of money. That's not how you build an eBay. The main purpose and point of an eBay is not to make the most money off the rip. The point is to get the ratings, okay? We have helped people become top sellers. We have built a brand doing it, okay? So I'm going to tell you guys, and don't tell nobody. And again, I don't like gatekeeping, so I'm giving y'all the sauce. I'm going to show you guys the first product that we list for a lot of people that sells a lot, okay? Hopefully he set everything up. Remember, this is before, okay. So this product right here sells really well, and it actually helps you be able to get reviews quickly. So what do I mean by that? So in order to create an effective listing, you got to realize that the listing needs to be a small cost of good product for the customer. Why? Because when you first start your eBay, you want to test the waters. You want to make sure that you find what products sell for you fast. Now, the way you do that is by actually starting with a product that is small, such as a cable cord, and you want to make sure the price is low. Now, the reason you want to make sure the price is low is because when you make sure the price is low, the customer will not be as mad, frustrated, or upset if their product is not up to their expectation. The reason I tell you guys that is because it's important that you make sure it is up to their expectation, but a lot of people don't. I'm gonna be honest with you. A lot of people, what they do is they just go and okay, hold on, guys. A lot of people, what they do is they just sell crap. They sell crap. And while selling crap is not okay, and it's something that I frown upon, what I want to tell you is if you're going to sell low quality products, don't sell them high. Don't sell them at a high price. Start small. So we're going to do $3.50. We're not going to do no offers. Now, this may cost you a little bit. If you got a reseller's kit, it won't, okay? And you know I got to plug myself in, so wesupply.com, right? You go there and you can get a wholesale product kit where you get kits and products in the box. So you can get a mystery kit, you can get a Facebook reseller's kit, you can get a Mercari reseller's kit, an eBay reseller's kit. There's a bunch of resellers kits, and all of these resellers kits are tailored to each platform. So we know eBay sells certain products really fast and trending products, Mercari and Facebook too. Then we have a mystery where we put a whole bunch of trending products from different platforms in there, and then we have our standard one. All right. Now they all start really at $250 except for the mystery one because it's a mystery one, okay? Now, I like that point because, again, you're going to be the person that is listing these small products, and if you get a reseller's kit where you're getting a bunch of products, you're able to actually sell these and not lose money. Now, if you're somebody that has to buy these, maybe you're paying 99 cents, and maybe it might cost you, let's see how much it costs to ship. It might cost you a little bit more to ship. And that's okay. I like to take a little loss at first to gain reviews, because if I gain 5 reviews at least, I know for a fact that they're going to start boosting my posts and start putting them in front of more people. But let's talk about how to make sure these posts are actually thriving. So what I did was I took a title, okay? And the title that we took was a title that we actually found off the sold category. So sorry guys, let me go. If I go back to eBay, I can go and type in, forgot I copied that. I can go back and type this in, right? And then when I type this in, you're gonna see that these pop up, and you see all of these are sold. Up top, they're all sold because this is a trending title. Okay, trending title, these sell. As you see, same picture. This is actually something that is selling, and it's from all of these people literally work with us. Okay. And what happens is selected profiles are getting these charges up, and they're helping them actually get ratings. Okay. And that's why we chose that title. Now, more than the title, and we'll go, a little bit more in depth on that, is this part. you want to make sure that you have the best price. Now, you want to hike your price up depending on how many units you sell. So you want to make sure at first you have the lowest price. Or let's say you're going and you're looking at a really high ticket item, or just an item that's like $8, $9, right? What I like to do is I'll do $9.98 because this is the first one I saw. Then I'll go and say plus $8.97 plus, and then I look for another one, $9 because we already did this one. So let's do this one, right? Divided by 3, and this gives me my median price. So this is the price that you can do that's in the middle of all of those, okay? But we don't need to do that. We just need to make sure, since it's a cord, it's just a cable, we have the lowest price. Now, we're not going to do this because this is a bundle, right? But $3.50 is one of the lowest prices here, okay? So what we're going to do, and these are all like bundles and stuff. What we're going to do is we're going to go and put us at $3.50. We're going to do 5. The reason why I do increments of 5 is because when we sell our first 5, then we're going to put it up either $1 or 50 cents more. And we do that over and over again until the sales slow down. The reason we do that is because when sales slow down, we know that we're hitting the sweet spot. If they're just selling out, we know that we're selling too low. Then you want to make sure that you're going up and you're hitting this. Okay, promote your listing. It's not going to take any money out of what you're doing right now. And you want to make sure you start at 2%. 2% of what you make is going to eBay, but you want to raise it up to 5% the more sales you get. All right, so boom, we're going to go right there and then we're going to list it. And I don't know if it's all set up. I'm not sure. Okay, so it is set up. It looks, hopefully. Oh. He put. It's because of where he's at. All right, so I have to talk to him about this. But, all right, yeah, I don't want to do too much. Okay, that's fine. All right, so anyway, we'll say this is a draft. We're not going to go all the way into that because that's his information. But anyway, so those are the tactics that you want to use when it comes to listing, okay? You want to make sure that you're listing and you're getting the best products, small products to start out with, and then move towards higher tier products. So let's do this. We're going to go and we're going to save that to drafts for right now until I get that shipping thing situated. And then we're going to go and create another listing, one more. And this listing that we're going to create one more listing that is popular. Okay. And this one is a older product, but it's becoming more popular because, again, it's the summertime coming up and people are now recouping from the winter, from Christmas. So what we do is, let's say I want to list MagSafe chargers, right? So if I want to list a MagSafe charger, I just type in MagSafe charger. Okay. Now I type that in and now I see what's sold today. Okay. I see these sold today. Now I also see this has an Apple logo. I see a battery pack. Wow. We'll probably list that later. And I'm just looking for one that does not have an Apple logo. If I don't find one, that's fine. Because what we're going to do is we're going to actually be able, okay, boom. All right, we see one, right? So we can take this and we can then go all the way down and look at what this person did. Now, this is a beautiful set of product pictures. So I'm taking these because these are beautiful. Not because they're extravagant, not because they have a great background, but because they're clear. And we already see this is an established seller. We're going to take this post. Okay, and you can do this at work. You can do this wherever you want. We're going to hit that. We're going to then go and hit unbranded. Okay, we're going to continue. New in a box. And now, when it comes to pricing, remember, we want to have the most competitive price. I see $11.99. Now, that's not really competitive. Now, what we're going to do believe it or not, is we're gonna blow people out the water. We're gonna blow our competition out the water because we understand that we have the best distributors and best price possible. So instead of selling it at $11.99, now we're checking right here and making sure it's unbranded, has nothing with Apple, no lightning, nothing, okay? We can hit magnetic, we can hit white, but we don't want anything with Apple. We don't want lightning or anything. We can take his description as well, because again, we are just copying and pasting. We don't need to reinvent the wheel. When you reinvent the wheel, it stops moving. So we're gonna do $7 as our first price. The way I came up with that is because I already know and have done my research at what price point these particular products start at. Now you're gonna do 7, and then you're gonna start with 10 instead of 5, because this is a higher ticket product, and now we're going to be utilizing this product to get us more reviews. But now we want customers actually to be satisfied. We know these are great quality products, so we know we'll be able to sell them. This will not be hard. Now when I go to shipping, I'll give y'all my tip, my secret. I always put 5 ounces, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. That's just what I do, and I've always done it. It's like a good luck thing for me. Now, people may frown upon it, but it's something that I do. And then I am ready to set the promotions. I do promotions on everything to start out, and we start at 2%. And that is how we list, guys. And that is how we get them to sell fast. And if you guys stay tuned, you'll be able to see, because I'll be filming this eBay a little bit more, so you guys can see the results. And again, Sunday is one of the most profitable days for eBay, because that's when a lot of people are on there. So I can't wait until this Sunday for him to see all of the results and sales. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.